Use the HP Solution Center. HP, or Hewlett Packard, is one of the biggest names in digital products. The company produces a wide variety of digital products ranging from cameras, printers, scanners, and even laptops. If you have HP printers, scanners, and cameras, you can use the HP Solution Center as a one-stop program for accessing and managing the settings for all of these devices. Here's how you can use the HP Solution Center. Install. First of all, you will need to install the HP Solution Center. You can do this by using the CD ROM that comes with basically any HP device, such as a printer or a scanner. Once you have installed the software, it will automatically sync between your computer and all of the other products that you use for your computer. You can install by simply placing the CD in your computer, and then clicking the Run button. This will initiate an installation wizard that will guide you through the entire installation procedure. Scanning. Once you have installed the software, you will find a list of tabs on the screen, which contains the functions that you can do with the Solution Center. If you want to scan, for instance, click on the Scan tab on the screen. Doing this will give you a more detailed screen which contains all of the options for scanning. After you have selected the options that you want to apply for the scan that you will make, click on the Scan Picture button, which will start the scanning process. Make sure that the image you want to scan is on the scanner, and that the scanner is turned on and connected to your computer. Saving. After you have finished the scan, a dialog box will appear and ask you where you want to save the images. Or, you can simply save the images in the HP Image Zone, which can be a sort of pictures folder that you can access straight from HP Solution Center. Printing. If you want to print, on the other hand, all you need to do is to click on the Print tab on the main interface. Upon doing this, you will be shown a list of all the printer settings which you can edit. Once you have edited the printing preferences, all you need to do is to choose the document that you want to print, and click on the Print button. This will automatically start the print. If you are printing multiple documents, the multiple documents will be queued for printing. Camera image importing. You can also use the Solution Center to import camera photos to your computer. To do this, you will need to click on the Get Images tab. Once you do this, you will be shown the list of settings and options for importing your photos. Choose the ones that you need and then click on the Start Unload button. This will begin the import process. Make sure that you have specified the folder where you want to save the pictures, or if you want the pictures to be stored in the HP image zone. With these in mind, you should be able to easily use the HP Solutions Center for the various HP devices connected to your computer.